How a simple traffic violation led to a life-altering moment. A deputy pulls over a man named David for running a red light. The officer calmly explains the reason for the stop, but things go south fast.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
What is the purpose for you pulling me over?
The purpose for me pulling you over is because you ran through that red light.
Oh, I did?
You did, yes sir.
It wasn't yellow?
No sir, it was solid red.
No, it was.
Yes, do you have your license, insurance,
No,
or registration?
actually, we're not going to do that, so...
Sorry?
I don't know how to explain this to you, but I don't need to give you any identification.
Okay, yes you do. I'm requesting for your driver's license.
No.
Okay. So we're not doing this, okay?
No.
I'm requesting for your driver's license.
For what? What crime was committed?
Because I'm conducting a traffic enforcement.
What crime was committed, though?
You broke a traffic enforcement. You ran through a red light.
No. That's for CDLs or everything. I don't know.
I'm sorry? Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Go ahead and step out for me.
That's not happening. That's not happening.
Sir?
That's not happening. Take your hands off of me.
Step out for me.
I'm not stepping out. I got a dog here, too. Call for backup, bro.
Pick my backup up. Alright, step out.
I'm not getting out. You're not telling me what I'm doing.
Sir, we're not doing this.
No, you straight we're not.
We're not doing this.
Get your hands off of me.
Step out.
Get your hands off of me.
I'm telling you one more time. Step out.
Who do you think
Step
you are?
out.
Do that with the dog here.
Okay, then don't do this.
Don't do it.
Don't do this.
Don't do it with the dog
Step
here.
out.
Don't do it with the dog here.
Step out.
What are you doing?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
What are you doing?
Get out of the car.
Watch yourself. Get your hands
On the ground.
That's my dog.
Yeah, I can know that.
That's not
That's good.
515 have an adult male 1015. Roll over here.
And just like that, he's on the ground in cups, while his poor dog watches the whole thing, clearly stressed out.
Roll over to the other
You
side.
made a big mistake, buddy.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't believe that. I can't believe you just punched me in the face.
You're 100% right, I did. You pushed my hand off the...
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, that dog's about it.
You want to try and get the dog back in the car?
Come on.
Hey. Hey.
Hold up. Hey, come here. Come here. Come on. Load up. Load up. Come on.
Inside.
Come on. Load up. Load up.
Have a seat.
Let me see about this.
We're good. Good?
Done now.
What did you do?
Went through a solid red light. He's like, I don't know why you stopped me. Explained to him why I stopped him. Asked him for his driver's license. He's like, I don't have to give you my driver's license. Let's only proceed to yell. And then I told him to step out. He's not stepping out. Told him several times. He's still not stepping out. Went to lock his door. He's like, and then that's when I grabbed his hands.
Yeah, so and then I reach in. I gotta try and open the door from the inside. He pushes my hands off. So he's Bob.
Probably. David,
Yeah,
listen to me.
I'm listening.
I am giving you one opportunity to take care of your dog. Who can we call to get that dog?
Let me tell you something.
Okay,
I come from Massachusetts.
that's fine.
I've been down here for 2 years.
Okay.
I'm living inside my car.
Okay.
Okay? My girl and my baby live in another state, and I'm paying for their rent and all their other shit, okay?
Okay.
So I do not have anyone that I can call right now offhand. They can come get the dog.
Okay.
Actually, maybe I can call someone from work. I work
Okay.
at ABC over there.
Well, we're gonna call animal control. Okay. It's
Well,
gonna go.
can I call someone from work then?
Once everything settles down, the officers get to work processing the scene and sorting through the details.
How else can they get here?
They live down the street.
Down the street?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your phone in the car?
Yep.
Okay.
I believe so.
Hold on a sec.
Sarge said we just take good pictures of him.
Okay.
I guess when you get to the jail or whatever. What's his major malfunction? Why did you do all that? He just said he doesn't have a reason. Okay. Well, unfortunately we're in Florida and that doesn't pass here, so I'm gonna write you a supplement for my use of force and stuff like that. Other than that, you should be good, right?
Yeah.
We call him animal control for the dog
And
and
see if we can call him right.
okay. And then we're
Yeah, if you don't mind.
That dog was bit me when I walked over.
Hey, it's fine. We'll just call animal control. Yeah, he has that like axe right there. I was like, oh.
he's got an axe in there?
Right there. Right by the passenger. Or a hammer. Something.
Yeah,
Right there. Could be a hammer. Right there.
nice.
That's why I was like trying to grab his hand. I'm like, because if he grabs that, we're done.
So I just saw one of my...
Thank God he didn't grab that hammer.
Yeah, he had two
He
hammers.
got fucking shot.
He had a knife too in there.
Yeah, he would have his head blown off.
So this guy started fighting with you?
So what's the deal with animal control?
Because the dog's a little bit aggressive.
Oh, no, I'm saying, are they like...
They're 10-8, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can turn that off now. We're just waiting for animal control and stuff.
Okay.
I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the... Do you understand the rights I have read to you? Yes, no, maybe? Sir? No? Or do you not want to speak?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay. What you need?
David is hit with several charges: resisting arrest with violence, failure to stop at a red light, no proof of insurance, and no visible registration.